All right, that's 24 Hawaiian rolls. We're gonna go ahead and remove it from its package. We're gonna split our rolls in half. All right, so now that those are cut, we're gonna put those to the side and bring in a medium-sized bowl. I have 2 sticks of my softened butter that we're gonna put right into our bowl. And with our butter, I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar and then 1/3 cup of brown sugar packed. I have some ground cinnamon, and we're gonna be generous with our cinnamon because this is what we're gonna wanna taste. All right, that was a couple teaspoons of cinnamon, and then just for some nice kick, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Combats that sweetness. I did use salted butter as well. I have my big spatula, and we're gonna go ahead and blend these together until we get a delicious brown sugar cinnamon butter that everyone will love, and it will go beautifully with those Hawaiian sweet rolls. Hey, that looks beautiful. I'm gonna switch over to my small spatula for this next part. Oh my goodness, look how delicious that butter looks. We're gonna come back in with our Hawaiian sweet rolls, and we're gonna take the tops right off, place them to the side for now. And then now we're gonna grab our cinnamon brown sugar butter, and we're gonna do a nice layer of that, and wanna make sure we save a little bit of our mixture, but we do want every roll to be covered in this delicious cinnamon brown sugar butter. It smells so good. Same with the Hawaiian rolls. This is such an easy and delicious take on a breakfast favorite. My family absolutely loves this, and I think you guys will too. All right, that looks pretty good. We're gonna come back in with the tops and place them right on here. And we do have some extra brown sugar butter that we are gonna put on top of the buns. Oh yeah. So use whatever you have left over after that middle layer to coat that top. Doesn't that look so good?
Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat this.
This is gonna be the best breakfast you've ever had. All right, now that is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 20 minutes. All right, while those are cooling, I'm gonna bring in my medium bowl, and I have 1 block of softened cream cheese. We're gonna put right in there. I have half a stick of softened butter right in there. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of our vanilla extract, which is just 2 of our lids full. Beautiful. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of powdered sugar. That looks about right. And now I have my electric hand mixer, and we're gonna mix this together. Start off slow and then gradually speed up, but we want this to become a delicious icing for our sweet rolls that we just made. All right, and once we have a frosting-like consistency, that's when we know this is ready and we can grab our Hawaiian rolls. These are actually in the oven closer to 15 minutes, but look how toasty and delicious those look. Now, of course, we're gonna have to bring in our cream cheese icing that we just made. While it's still warm, we're gonna spread that right on top of our makeshift cinnamon rolls. So now we have delicious cinnamon rolls without the pain of, letting our dough rise and making homemade dough, because those Hawaiian rolls made it so easy. So we're gonna douse this in our icing and let it melt and get gooey, ooey, and delicious. Okay, that looks incredible. All right, let's just kind of cut one. It should be pretty easy to cut because they do have their little seams. Look at that. Our Hawaiian roll cinnamon buns are ready to enjoy. Oh my goodness. Be careful, it's gonna be hot.
Is it good?
That was the best thing I've ever eaten in my entire life.